Hey Cubers, and welcome to this new review. Today we are reviewing the Logitech Z200. This is a 2.0 speaker set, and it produces quite a good sound, but we'll tell you more after the intro. The unit consists out of two speakers, and each speaker has its own two drivers. The drivers have a size of 6.3 cm and 2.5 inches. Each driver outputs 5 watts RMS and 10 watts peak power. The speaker has a bass control wheel at the side. It doesn't have a huge impact on the bass, but you can notice a difference. I personally think the speakers sound quite nice and bass filled. I've listened to different styles of music and they all sound great. Well, let's get to the sound comparison part. Well, that was it for this video. I hope to see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like or comment on this video.